So even when using submasters, there may be a time where you want to make edits to those as well, just as you would queues or groups. So let's look at a couple of different ways where we can edit our submasters. There are two primary ways of editing submasters. Like with queues, we can edit submasters live in stage mode, or we can edit them blind in blind mode. Let's look at editing them live first. So I'm going to bring up my submaster 1, and you'll see that channels 1 through 5 are at full. If I'm going to make a change to these levels, say to channel 3, I'm going to make channel 3 at a new level. I'm going to say 3 at 75. And now you'll see that I have channel 3 at 75%. It's been captured, so it's overriding the level that was in the submaster previously. I haven't affected the rest of the submaster, just channel 3. Now the best way to update that into the sub is to use, obviously, the update command. Remember that update is my soft key 2. And what I want to do is I want to hit S2, and then I want to pick the button of the submaster that needs to be updated. And once I push the button, the submaster levels on the screen will indicate that channel 3 is now at 75% instead of full when the submaster is all the way up. And if I run that submaster up and down, you'll see that it goes to 75%. So that's how I would edit a sub in live or stage mode. In blind mode, it works just like I would a queue or a group. So I'm going to go into blind, and over here on my record target keypad, I'm going to hit sub, and let's edit sub 2. 2, enter. On my screen, I can see that I am in sub 2. I'm looking at my status bar down here, and I can see that I'm in that, or my attribute bar. Now I can see that 6 through 10 are at full, and I can grab any one of those channels, say channel 8. Channel 8. I'll put that at 75% as well. Now you'll see that I have 8 at 75 in red. Now I haven't saved any of these changes, of course, as indicated by my really obviously flashing not recorded, which is again reminding me that I need to record before I leave this display or my changes will be lost. So to do that, I hit record, enter, and now I have made that modification in blind mode. So when I go back to stage and I run up my submaster 2, you'll see that channel 8 is now at 75%, and I have made that change without needing to bring the submaster up live. So those are the two ways that you can edit a submaster on the Express console.